Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to HaiderTech. In this video, I will show you how to cast your phone display on your PC and laptop. So I will show you step by step. Watch this video till the end. If you are a new, so here to subscribe this channel. If you already subscribed, click on the bell icon to get the latest videos on your notification. Please show your love and support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this video. So I will be highly motivated. I will make some more videos with more motivation. Please like and subscribe. Let's start our topic of today. So the topic is how you can cast your phone display on the PC. So this is like in this way we can say, suppose this is the one, this is my phone, so I need to cast my display, phone display on the PCs and the laptop screen. So you can see here, these are my messages, these are the photos, so you can check in your laptop and PC. Okay, so the messages, even you can type the messages, you can see here all the messages, you can read all those messages in your PC and laptop, and even you can reply back. So this is the way you can get it, all the things, messages, photos, notification, even settings. So how to do it, all these things. So today video I will explain step by step. Let's start our practical. Now, the first thing is Samsung Note 10. Samsung Note 10. In the Samsung Note 10 has amazing built-in features. Some of these features are exclusive to Note 10. And this video I will explore and exhibit link to window feature step by step. So you only need Note 10 and Windows PC. Okay, so at the end I will show you the demo. So this is your Note 10. So this is my Note 10. So in the processor, this is the processor speed. RAM is, in my case, is 12 GB, memory 256 GB, and the battery is 4300 mAh. Front camera is 10 megapixel and rear camera is 12 megapixel. So this is the display of my Samsung Note 10. Okay, so what you need to, step number one. So step number one, so you need to download your phone app from Microsoft Store. So this is how you can download. I will show you. Click it here and write Microsoft Store. Okay, if you will write Microsoft Store, it will open this application and search here your, what you need to write, your phone. Okay, so this is the app, your phone. This app you need to search. Once you will search, it will take some little bit time, just you need to download. Okay, so I already downloaded. So in my case, so now I will go to the step number 2. So you have to download. If you did not download it, you need to download. After that, click on launch and it will launch the application. Okay, the next thing is step number 2. So make sure you have a Microsoft account. If you don't have the Microsoft account, you need to create the account and log in. Okay, so in the Microsoft, you need to create a login account. After that, what you need to do, step number 3, link to the window. So in this feature, if you will come and you will see here, you need to enable Samsung Note 10 link to window feature. If you will click it here, so you will go to the, you need to enable this feature. Okay, once you will enable, I will show you the phone setting here. So I will show you the phone setting. Let's start the phone setting. So this is the one. Okay, once you will on uh, click on link to the window feature, then it will direct to you Microsoft account. So you need to click it here. In the advanced feature, you need to click Microsoft account. So you need to enter your login details like Microsoft account detail, your username and passwords. Once you will enter these details and press OK, so it will link to your Microsoft account. So let's start with my Samsung Note 10. Now we will go to the phone, and in the phone setting you can see here, this is my link to the window. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click it here. Okay, so once you will click on the phone setting, just turn on this feature. Okay, once you will turn on the feature, click on done. Once you will done, so after that what you need to do, go to the setting. Okay, go to the setting. After that what you need to do, the next step is go to the advanced feature. Okay, so in the advanced feature, link to the window feature is already on. So what you need, okay, so this feature, then you need to enter the Microsoft account detail. In my case, I already enter the Microsoft account detail, username and the password. If you whatever the username password you enter in your PC, so you need to enter the same Microsoft account here. Okay, just to link this this Note 10 with your window PC and the laptop. Okay, so that's all from this. So once you will finish your phone setting, so what you need to do, you need to come to the laptop or your PC. So just type here your application, your phone. Okay, so this app, you need to run this app. Okay, so once you will run this app, so it will take some little bit time. Okay, now you can see it, we get the our uh, our phone display in our laptop screen. You can see here my notifications, messages, yes, and my photos. 1 minute, photos, all these things we can, you can see. If you want to watch some photos and some other things, you can watch it here. You can also go to the setting and you can change your phone setting as well. Okay, so that's all for today. Please like and subscribe our video and channel.